Hi everyone, I'm very excited to show you our new toy called electrical go-kart boat. Let's go. So now I would like to show you how to use it. Everyone can use it, it's really simple. Let's go. So just lift out your seat here. Make sure the battery have installed properly and then lock it just like that. Then put your seat upright. Okay, then there's a steering. There's a speed level as well. Number 1 is go by 10 knots. Number 2 gonna be very fast, which is 25 knots. And don't forget, most importantly, your safety switch. You have to put it in like this, and then you can put on your wrist or ankle. And lastly, don't forget there's a throttle over here. You can just step and go.